Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you the best settings in FragPunk for playing and for the FPS and performance. So just go to the settings and I will show you the best settings. You can copy it. So for the display mode, make sure to set full screen. It is for me easier to record when I'm boardless. And here you can copy it. The graphics, as you can see, vertical sync is off, anti-tearing off. I'm playing on DirectX 11. Just tested out 12 version, as you can see, but for me 11 version works better. And here for the graphic quality setting, it is on standard. As you can see, everything is turned off. The UI resolution is high. And that's pretty much it. That's the best settings in FragPunk. So thank you guys and see you in the next one.